Judge Law reflects on importance of his new film, The Order, exploring white supremacist movements in 1980s America. Actor Jude Law has taken one of his most challenging and socially relevant role in the upcoming film The Order, a hard-hitting drama that examines the rise of a violent white supremacist movement in the United States during the 1980s. In the recent interviews, Law has described the film as a story that needed to be told, highlighting its relevance in understanding the roots of racial and ideology extremism that contribute to affect society today. The Order delves into the lives of individuals swept up in a dangerous ideology, exploring how hatred and fear can fuel violence and division. The story is inspired by real events and focuses on a covert group of white supremacists who operate in the shadows, using violence and propaganda to spread their message and disrupt social harmony. Jude Law, known for his versatility as an actor, explained that the role pushed him to confront uncomfortable truth about human behavior and the history. This film isn't just about the past, it's about understanding how these patterns persist. Law said in a recent interview, it's a reminder of how dangerous unchecked hatred can be and the importance of standing against it. The film also examined how systematic racism and economic disparities were exploited by extremist groups to recruit vulnerable individuals. It aimed to shed light on the tactics used to radicalize people and devastating consequences of their actions. Law worked closely with the film's director and cast to ensure that the story was portrayed authentically and respectfully. He shared how the cast spent months researching the era, speaking with historians and examining the socio-political climate of 1980s to bring announced and accurate perspective to the film. Critics who have seen early screening of The Order have praised and its unflinching portrayal of a deeply troubling chapter in American history. Many have commended the film for sparking critical conversation about extremism, race, and enduring impact of hate-fueled ideology, which was set against the backdrop of a tumultuous decade in American history. The Order not only reveals the violence and vulgarity of the time, but also examines the broader societal issues that allowed such movement to flourish. With its compelling narrative and powerful performances, the film seeks to challenge audience to reflect on their own beliefs and the role they play in shaping a more inclusive and equitable world. The Order is set for release, and Judge Law hopes the film will resonate with audience, inspiring them to confront difficult truth and work towards a future free from hate and division. We can't change the past, Law said, but we can learn from it. And that's what this film is all about: learning, understanding, and moving forward. Guys, this is it from the latest updates. I'm Amna Tariq and you were watching Desi TV USA. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.